Hi everyone, and happy New Year's Eve. I hope you guys have something wonderful planned for your evening tonight. I know I myself enjoy just staying in the last day of the year and really getting a chance to kind of rejuvenate and recoup from the last few months hustle and bustle from the holiday season. So I know you're all here to find out what is going to be the crochet series for 2024. And the series is going to be Home Sweet Home. So we're going to create projects all to do with around the home or decor for the home. They can be utilitarian or simply strictly aesthetic wise. I think this is going to be a lot of fun to work on. And now, last year's series, or this year, 2023, was all about pillow talk. So obviously pillows are a part of home decor and home functionality. I may have one pillow project this coming year, but I probably will steer away from it because we've got plenty in the pillow playlist. So you can always have a look there. So over the years, I have created projects that either create an extra functionality for around the home or just give us this extra cozy feeling. And I most especially like to curl up on the couch and either watch a great Netflix show or listen to a fantastic podcast and work on my projects. And as you see here, this is going to be our first project of the year, actually. And believe it or not, it's a blanket project. And this is the Blossom blanket. And I know you're going to enjoy it too, most especially for beginners, but also for you experienced crocheters too. This is a nice, mindless project and it's very cozy, and I definitely am going to be using this blanket a lot over the winter months, and that's why I thought we would start with this project this year. So this is just a little sneak peek of what it's turning out to look like. And when we dive into our first official project this year, you will get the lowdown all about the yarn we're using and what you're going to need to create this project. It is a Caron cake, and it's the Colorama Halo, I think it's called. I know Halo is definitely in the title. I can't find the label right now. But yeah, it's super fun. I'll put up a little text here on the screen to let you know the colorway if you want to go ahead and get ready ahead of time with the yarn for this project. So that is it, guys. Home Sweet Home. I hope that you are having a wonderful last day of the year. Thank you for coming in and hanging out with me every week and supporting the channel. And I love seeing all your comments. Now, also, I do want to remind you, I have not forgotten any of you that have sent me either an email or a comment that I haven't gotten back to yet. I'm pretty good about responding to comments fairly quickly within, maximum a few days to a week. But if I haven't provided you with the answer yet, it's probably because I'm working on the answer for you. I know a few of you have sent me an email asking about some intricate knitting patterns that you were looking to have transferred to crochet, and I am working on them. And in fact, a few of these are going to be part of some of the tutorials coming up in the new year. So sit tight. I definitely have not forgotten about you. I'm just working on it. And by the way, if you guys have any special requests of other projects that you'd like to see me do more of on the channel, please do leave them for me in the comment box down below. It helps give me creative ideas to create more interesting tutorials for you all. And by the way, I know some of you that are a little newer, you've commented on some of the earlier tutorials on basics and things are not as clear as you'd hoped. So there will be a revamp of some of those videos coming out in 2024 as well. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek. It's short and sweet, and like Home Sweet Home, I am going to curl up with this blanket and finish it up before the start of the year to have it ready for you guys. Now, just a little heads up, there will not be a tutorial next week. That is the 3rd of January. Normally, I start right away on the very first Wednesday in January. I am just a little bit burnt out from a lot of things that have been going on. So I'm going to be taking the first week of January off, but I will be back on January the 10th with the very first Home Sweet Home project. But in the meantime, I'll leave a link to my home decor playlist, and you can have a look at some of the projects that I've created in the past, and perhaps there's something you'd like to get started on in the meantime. Now, as always, remember that you can continue to leave me comments with questions, and you can always email me directly, of course, at info@crochetcrafty.com. All right, guys, that's it for me for 2023. Wishing you a wonderful and beautiful, restful, rejuvenating, happy new year, and I will see you all in 2024. Take good care, and of course, happy crocheting!